Hi there guys, it's Ben from OneAV. We're at ISE 2020 and one of the brands that we're showing off on the stand this year is Just Add Power. So Just Add Power is AV over IP, one transmitter per source device and one receiver for each TV. We're running it through here. This is running that up there. Products that we have on show is the rack mount transmitter, which is 4 transmitters into one, and also the tiling transmitter, which is what we're showing on the screen there. So in terms of control methods with Just Add Power, it does generally need to be used with a control system, but the feedback that we had was that we wanted a more accessible control option, and we're actually running this off an Ardo. Basically, an Ardo is a very, very simple control system. You need to just navigate to the IP address, and it allows you to change the source device, change the tiling options as well. So you can see on there, I've just changed the screen to the tiling image. It's very, very easy for me to go back and change it to the regular Just Add Power video image that we've got on show. So that's the overall thing, Just Add Power, HD over IP, one of the originators in HD over IP, so we're very, very lucky to have the brands in our product portfolio. If you want to find out more, you can visit oneav.co.uk or justaddpower.com.